Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to enable Steam overlay. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner we have, as you can see, the store, library, we have the community and your profile. Here we have a bar where you can see your store, net and new and net worthy categories, and the search bar at the very end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and enable Steam overlay. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these 2 steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, launch the Steam client on your computer, as I already told you in the start of the video. Then in the top left corner, click on Steam to open the menu. So basically click on this menu here. Then from the drop-down menu, select Settings. So it is the one before second option. In the Settings menu, click on In-Game in the left column. So click, you have the left column here. In-Game is here somewhere in the middle. Then click OK to save your changes. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you could do this, it would be pretty cool. So guys, that'll be, as I already told you, everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.